let's get into some core principles of it, like search intent.
Yeah, absolutely. So search intent is this idea that there's an intent behind somebody that's searching. So somebody comes to Google, let's say, and they have a question. One of the past examples that I gave was pickleball. Everybody loves pickleball. So if somebody is a new and beginner at pickleball, so they'll go into Google and they'll be searching for something like pickleball. But there is an intent behind that. So they want to learn what it is, or they want to understand the rules. They want to, there's a variety of different things. So when it comes to search intent, you're thinking about why are they asking that question? What phase in their sort of information gathering that they're in? Is it that they're brand new to this topic? Is it that they know about it and they're asking something a little bit more specific? So understanding where that person is in kind of their search journey, and then catering the information to be able to meet that journey. So if somebody knows, is just getting into pickleball and is looking for beginner rules, that means they're at kind of the top of the funnel. And so the information you want to be giving them is very broad and making sure you're connecting to them that way.
Interesting. So it has a top, middle, and bottom funnel aspect to it.
Yes, absolutely. Right. That is a part of any core marketing that a marketer should be thinking about is when you're developing information, that person who's coming into search is at a different point in their search journey or in the funnel that you want to keep in mind. So they can be in the top of the funnel. So that's kind of the beginning stages. They're just gathering information about it. They could be in the middle of the funnel. They know about it. They're thinking about making a decision. And so maybe you want to cater the information to, get them to convert a little bit further. Or at the bottom, they know a lot about the topic. They want to make something, decision that's very specific to them. And so making sure that you're also catering the information to whatever that might be. So, and that also might be a topic, right? If you're thinking about the high funnel, that might be somebody who's learning about the rules of pickleball to a little bit further down the line of, I want this very specific type of paddle that has a certain grip. It's lightweight. It's got a cool design that I'm into. So it's also thinking about kind of, again, who that person is, where they are, and how you can cater that information to them.
Wow. It's SEO and search is getting really personalized.
It is really getting personalized. And honestly, with the way that search is going, it's going to get even more personalized and customizable. You're starting to see AI overview, ChatGPT, a lot of these different generative AI type of platforms. And what that's leading to is that deeper, more customizable ability to search. Again, let's take that example of the pickleballer. I actually gave this in a talk that I did for Red Door Interactive is, so let's say you're somebody who's picking up pickleball, but you actually used to be a tennis player and now you're picking up pickleball. So when you're coming into, AI overview or something like that, you can say, I used to be a tennis player that's now switching to pickleball. How can I start to learn the rules of pickleball with my tennis background? Or maybe the form, or maybe the way to do it. And now there's a deeper, more customizable ability to search for that individual that is far more helpful for that individual person, provides a way better experience because that result is catered to them. And now they can go off and continue their life, come back and have a very similar type of search where it's individual and customizable.
Right. Okay.
Hey, I'm the guy from the video you just saw. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Now do yourself a favor. If you haven't already, subscribe to our content. Believe it or not, unconfirmed rumors and reports, you will see an increase in 20% in organic traffic just by subscribing. Okay, maybe not, but it's fun, right? But do yourself a favor, really. Subscribe to our content. You won't be sorry. Thanks.